I'm Shri Rai. I teach in the area of computer science and games technology. I'm also the academic chair for computer science, games technology, mobile and web application development, so 3 majors. To complete any of the majors requires 72 points of study. 72 points of study will take 3 years of full-time study or the equivalent part-time study. You can combine them with double majors, so any IT major and along with any other major from any part of the university in approximately 3 years. As long as it is 72 points of study and at least 1 major is completed, you've completed your degree. In terms of popularity of combination of majors, the one that's in terms of employability is computer science and games technology. In terms of student numbers is computer science, business information systems, computer science and cyber security. The 2 minors under my responsibility, one is the web development minor and the game design minor. They're just 4 units of study. So 4 units, the equivalent to 1 semester, although they are spaced out over 3 years of study. What we do is we talk to industry a lot. So what that means is industry is quite often present in our classrooms, particularly our games technology major. The reason for that is very much aligned to what they do out there. We call it games technology, but it's a practical software engineering major. So it's fully hands-on. Theory is not covered just for theories, covering theory. Theory is covered so it gets applied. So you take theory and yes, you apply it and you got to build on it. For the computer science major, the same thing is the bedrock of what we do. Again, it's full hands-on. There's a lot of programming in both the computer science and games technology and in the other major, mobile and web application development. So it's because it's hands-on, it's not just talk and chalk, it's applied. You actually got to do the work. So the employability is there. So that's why we do it in a different way. We look at what everybody else is doing. We decided we'll do a nice balance of practice and theory. Because this lab itself is a code development lab. So in terms of practice, it's all about code development. So in all the 3 majors I'm responsible for, it's developing software. So building software systems. We got simulation equipment, a whole range of simulation equipment. So you're not just programming for keyboard and mice or mouse, you're also programming for different types of hardware. And the sort of hardware that industry normally uses, because that's where our graduates get employed. Our graduates work in any area where software development is required. A lot of areas where we call smart, the reason why it's called smart is because there's software. So anywhere, any industry that has need for software, we have graduates working there. Graduates work in simulations, mining resources, the health sector, health simulations, software services, including consultancies, banking, defense, and robotics. It's not just IT. IT is everywhere because IT ranges from help desk to top-end computer science software engineering. So what's going on in the world is everything is being automated. Automation doesn't just mean machinery. You automate something because there's software which is driving the automation. The whole thing about automation is to do something faster and do more of it, so being more productive. So how do you do that? It's software. And every part globally, every industry globally is heading towards automation. We've been hearing the buzzword AI. What has not been heard, not on people's conscience, is there is actually what amounts to a global arms race in AI supremacy. It's an undeclared arms race. There are billions spent on it. Even third world countries are putting billions of dollars into AI supremacy. That AI supremacy simply means software or smart software. So in terms of a graduate who comes or a graduate who goes out, the sky's the limit because the amount of software going to be developed is not going to go down. It's rising exponentially.